So let's turn on GoHighLevel's brand new browser control feature where it now does things on the internet for you, and it's gonna open up your browser and do even more actions than it could do before. This is gonna help you with prospecting, helping fixing funnels, analyzing websites, and a whole bunch of other things. So if you come right in here, you're going to go to this help document, which is literally how to set up Ask AI LeadConnector Chrome extension. And what you're going to do is you're going to come over here. There is a lead connector that you can add the extension on, which is right here. It's in the Chrome Web Store, Google. I'll also put the link below for you to go there and get it. And you literally can come over here and hit add to Chrome. Once we do that, it's going to add the extension. Boom. And now you can manage your extensions by clicking the menu tool. And I'm just going to click on my little extensions here. And when we go to manage extensions, you're going to want to find it, which is right here. And we're going to make sure we have it on. And now that it's on, we are going to go over to our account, any account inside of your GoHighLevel. And what you're going to do is make sure that you have Ask AI turned on for your agency. And once you do that, or your account, you're going to click on Ask AI and we're going to give it a prompt. I need you to use the new Lead Connector plugin, and I need you to go in and take over my browser in where you're going to find HVAC leads that are then going to be good candidates for me that are going to have really bad websites. They don't have any chat features. They have really poor reviews, or they don't have enough reviews. And what I want you to do is analyze their site, check it for chat and voice widgets, and also make sure that for any Google reviews, check the number that they have compared to their competitors, and also do like a site speed check to ensure that they have a really good website. I go ahead and click on there, and hopefully, again, my hands are going to be off and this thing is going to take over. And here you go, folks. This is what it's going to do. And it's going to, and again, my hands are completely off. It's literally taking over, and you can see what it's doing. I'm just going to click back over here, and it's telling me all the different kickoffs that it's going to do. It's obviously looking in my local area, which is great because it's exactly what I want. And look, it's already doing an analysis, and it's doing it all through the browser. You see the little arrow on the left-hand side? It's taking over the browser control, and it's going through all of them. Now, the reason this is important is because we're going to wait until this thing is fully complete. And I'm going to show you some other things that you can do that's going to help you also make it easier for you to operate inside of HighLevel. All right, now it came back. These are all the different leads that it came up with. It gave scores on their actual sites, everything that it has. It looked at the competitors, how many Google reviews. It did like a full breakdown of everything in here. And then it told all the criticals that it needs to have and everything that it needs throughout this whole entire thing. So if I come in here, now I could say, hey, do me a favor, open up my Gmail and create emails to actually send them as cold email prospects. Make sure that you put them all in draft mode. So again, it searched for the email address directly in there, and it opened up my email, and look, it's literally writing the email that I need for Gmail to go through. So while we're waiting, there's something I want to go through with you. While you're doing all this and you're trying to figure out GoHighLevel and you're not getting the support that you need, or you're trying to think of using HighLevel and you're just not 100% sure, make sure to join our free Skool community. Our free Skool community is right here. You can see all the support that people get. There's a bunch of freebies to kind of help them through everything that they have. We have an absolute snapshot that you can use with all your businesses. And on top of it, we have like a 3-day workshop that we did for 9 hours straight where we showed you how to completely set up HighLevel from absolute scratch. Everybody can access this community. Now, if you join our affiliates, you actually get access to our calendars that even have calls with me personally where I can answer and walk you through anything that has to do with AI, HighLevel, and business in general to help you generate that money, whatever you need to make your business run efficiently, and more importantly, make the money that you need, right? So on top of getting a bunch of freebies in here and access to the free community where, look, I'm actually in here answering questions every single day, you'll also get access to a bunch of things that are going to help you do better inside of HighLevel and get the support that you need. So that being said, let's jump right back in. As you can see, this thing is generating a draft right now for the email. That's going to be, look, 7 reviews won't win you customers. Let's change that. And it's automatically writing into my Gmail. So then I can personally get there, and it's going to draft a couple of different emails directly in here. Now, here's what's wild about this whole thing. I can have this thing do social media. I can have this thing go in and actually help me build funnels. And I'm going to show you a little bit more to do that as we kind of go through. All right, actually went a little above and beyond. It actually created 4 drafts in order for it to do, look, you have 5 stars, but only 3 are there. Your website scored 55 out of 100. Your HVAC is invisible. Let's fix that. And look, it wrote this whole entire thing, added my credentials and everything else in there. And again, here's all the scores it ran. And then if I can go even further, right? I can do research. I can do other things directly in here. It can literally go into, let's say, Canva, and let's try to do this, right? So let's go to Canva and build some really nice pictures on social media for these particular companies. So I can send them a sample of some social media things that we can do. Also, can you create a Google Sheet with some potential blog posts for each of them? And instead of saying Google Sheet, I actually want to say Google Document. And let's see how far we can take this thing. All right, here we go. It's asking me to log into Canva. I'm already in. It should be able to see it. All right, waiting on to go ahead. It's already got me right in here. It literally logged me into Canva. I mean, let's see what this thing can do. This would be pretty cool. So what's wild is, remember, we're having AI literally figure out Canva. And look, it struggled a couple times and now it's trying to figure it out. Finally, it got to the end. And look, it literally has been creating this thing from absolute scratch. And it's got the name of the business and everything else. And again, guys, this is just the beginning of what we can do with this thing. And again, it self-taught itself. It figured it out. It took over the browser, understood the controls, and you could see it trying. It opened up like literally 4 windows to figure it out. But at the end, it totally figured it out. So again, we found prospects using this browser control. We created emails and drafted them inside our particular Gmail account, not even inside a HighLevel. And then on top of it, we went in here and now we're creating assets for the client to then showcase to the client. Imagine all the really cool things you can do in here by just literally asking AI and giving it the browser control. And if you're enjoying the content that I'm providing, please make sure to like and subscribe below and click on that notification bell so you're always aware of all the new content that I'm rolling out. And with that being said, we'll see you in the free community. So make sure you click on that link below and we'll see you inside.